Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'll show you how to SSH without a password or automate your SSH session using public keys. So while by doing this configuration, while you're doing your SSH, you will not need a password to log into your remote machine. The first step is to generate public and private keys using SSH-keygen command, that is used for SSH version 1 and SSH-keygen space -t space RSA for SSH version 2. So let's generate the public keys. SSH-keygen, so it will generate. Enter the phrase word, so you need to type in nothing here, just press enter and press enter once again. So your identification has been saved in .ssh.id.rsa file, and your public key is id_rsa.pub. So let's go to that directory, and that is your identification file, your public key. So you need to copy that public key to the remote machine which you want to log in through SSH without a password, and rename that .pub file as authorized underscore keys for SSH version 1 and authorized underscore keys 2 for SSH version 2. So we're using SSH version 1, so we will first transfer that file to the remote machine. We will transfer this file to, if you want to log in to MSP, suppose if I am transferring this file to an MSP user's home directory, so I can log in to MSP user without password. But if you want to access root, you need to copy that to the roots.ssh folder. So here if you see, it's asking password for me. So once the password is entered, it will transfer that file to the .ssh directory of MSP user, and we have to rename the .pub file as authorized underscore keys. So we will go to that machine and go to .ssh directory of MSP user, and we will list. So it is there, it is transferred successfully. So we will rename this file. So this is the command to rename the file. So we will rename it to authorized underscore keys. So your file is renamed. So your public key based authentication has been set up. If you log into the MSP user from SSH, it won't ask for a password. So let's check if it is doing so. So we'll log into the remote machine using SSH on MSP user. So it should not ask for a password. So you can see it didn't prompt it for any password here. So if you want to access root, you need to keep the authorized underscore keys file in the .ssh directory of root. So here actually what you're doing is you're basically telling the SSH daemon on the remote machine that this connection is encrypted using the public key, and this public key is pre-authorized, and this public key is kept in authorized underscore keys. Now note, if you have more than one host from which you want to connect to the remote host, you need to add the content of the .pub file of that server to the remote machine. So you need to create, see if you see this is the authorized .public key for the first file. So I'll go to a different server, and I'll generate a key, and I'll add this key to the authorized underscore keys of the remote machine, so I can connect it from different servers. So let's first generate the key, public key. So I'll hit enter again. So I'll go to the .ssh directory, and if you see, that is your public key. I'll copy this public key. I'll open this public key and copy the content and add this content to the remote machine's authorized underscore key file. So if you can see, this is your first connection, and I'll add second public key here. So that's your first public key, and that's your second public key. If you want to add multiple, you can add multiple here. So I'll add 2. So I'll close this. So I'll SSH from this machine now once again. So it is not asking me for a password, right? So you can add multiple file to your unauthorized underscore key files for multiple logins from different machines. So that's it. We have configured SSH without password for 2 machines to log in without a password. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos you can visit my YouTube channel, that is www.youtube.com/technologylair. Have a great day.